Three, including a baby girl, shot in Spanish Town. One of the individual that was shot did not survive to tell his side of the story. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV. Let's talk. And we're about to discuss this on the program. We ask you, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time we post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break with the details. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 7 TV. Let's talk. Wow, what a year it has started off to, with the bloodletting continuing across all parishes. And the police are doing all they can just in order to see what level of assurance they can give to the public. But as they sit and try to iron this out, the crime rate is spiraling out of control. Now, this incident occurred in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, and this would have occurred at the same time that a coach and a female body was found in an open lot in Portmore, St. Catherine. What is really going on in our country? Why is crime and violence spiraling out of control? What are the local authorities doing? There are many questions without no answers. So 3 persons, including a 1-year-old girl, were shot and injured when gunmen invaded their home at Feather Lane in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Sunday, February 14. One of the victims has succumbed to his injuries. Dead is 23-year-old Andrew Thomas of Epsom City, Spanish Town in St. Catherine. Reports from the Spanish Town police are that around 9:15 p.m., Thomas was at home with other family members when armed men entered the premises and opened gunfire, hitting the baby and other relatives as well. Thomas reportedly ran from the house but was chased by these individuals and shot multiple times. A joint police military team responded to the incident, but they too came under heavy gunfire from these individuals and had to initially take cover. No members of the security team were injured in this latest incident. The gunman escaped in the area. The injured persons were taken to hospital where Thomas succumbed to his injuries, and the injured man and child who received gunshot wounds to both their leg were treated and released. The police are then carrying out the investigation and are theorizing that this is relation to a gang feud that is going on in the area. But this situation, what happened here, is very sad to see that you have a young child in the midst of this. And it's as if these individuals, they did not care one bit, as this young child was also injured in this incident, but lucky that she survived in order to tell the tales of what happened. Now, Mr. Thomas was not so lucky, as he was actually 23 years old, Andrew Thomas, and he was of Epsom City in Spanish Town, and he was actually chased from the house when the door was kicked open after he realized that the only way and means for him to survive this was to try and make a hasty retreat from the premises, but that was short-lived as he was chased by these individuals and shot multiple times. He was rushed to hospital and he did not survive. And the police had to seek cover just in order to protect their lives, as these individuals, they were not going down without a fight. But when we look on what is going on in our country, it's a cause for concern, and it's really shocking to see the spate of crime and violence that is sweeping the country. Gone are the days when you have an issue with someone and you could just talk it over with them. So we're living in a time right now where you have to be extremely careful. You have to just be very cautious. you have to be very mindful of certain situations and what you get yourself involved with, especially with what is going on in our country right now. This is where I'm going to leave this one here for now, though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk.